Paperwork is part of every dental practice. All of the different reports necessary to run a practice may seem confusing and sometimes overwhelming. Specific reports are necessary to ensure the safety of you, other employees, patients, and the general public. However, they need not be confusing nor overwhelming.
There are numerous bloodborne pathogens out there, and we must take every precaution to guard ourselves against them. That's why we employ special capping techniques in our office to prevent finger prick incidents. However, in the event of an accident, we must know the appropriate protocol.
About 2 months ago, I had the unfortunate experience to have to follow this protocol after pricking my finger with an anesthetic needle while cleaning the operatory. I was putting away the instruments when I accidentally pricked my finger on an uncapped needle. Since I had been trained in the finger prick protocol, I knew exactly what steps to follow. First, I walked to the next operatory to inform my employer. Dr. Claren helped me describe the details in the finger prick incident binder. Next, we entered the same information in our computer catalog health and safety binder and OSHA binder. Then I had a long conversation with my supervising dentist in our office about how to prevent this from happening again. I then called OSHA to inform them of this event. They had a representative come the next day to talk to me about the repercussions of a finger prick and employer responsibilities. Finally, I washed the wound with clean water and called the finger prick hotline.
After that whole ordeal, I did contract HIV and hepatitis B. But thanks to the finger prick protocol, I didn't contract any other nasty diseases. It's very important that you too follow the protocol if this incident occurs.
Do you give much thought to the equipment and supplies you use every day? Why do you use a particular chemical or a certain type of glove? How do you know products will work? Or would you like to find new products that can make your job safer and easier? And where do you find these new products? In this course, we talk about selecting products for exposure control purposes and how it impacts you, other staff, and the patients in your practice.
Today we have high-tech equipment able to kill even the fiercest bacteria. Spore strips and other diagnostic tools allow us to measure the success rate of destroying these little critters. This leads to a more sterile environment and ultimately a safer working environment. Today's age, we can never be too careful. That's why we employ universal sterilization during all procedures. But what the microbiologists don't tell you is that universal sterilization does not have to cost an arm and a leg for an autoclave. I'm talking about a cost-effective method that can be found in your kitchen. Yes, it's an oven. Studies have shown that high broil will kill just as many microorganisms as those pricey autoclaves. Smell good, don't they? I mean, really, why buy the cow when you can get the milk for free?
Study does not include HIV virus, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, Staphylococcus aureus, and tuberculosis, well, actually, none of the mycoplasma, and Pseudomonas, nor does it include any anaerobes and spirochetes. Microbes responsible for the flu and the common cold were omitted from this study, in addition to other respiratory tract infections. This study was funded by GE Oven Manufacturers.
You have just completed Chapter 7 of the video module. You may now refer to the section in the Health and Safety Workbook.